Okay, for the next couple of lessons, we're going to be using our calculator, but there's really two different styles of calculators. One is a forward-thinking calculator, and the other one is a backwards-thinking calculator. Both will give you the exact same number. We just need to figure out which way your calculator works so that you can answer these questions properly. The example I'm going to have you guys try is going to be the square root of 16. Seems to be a pretty easy one. 4 times 4 gives you 16. So the square root of 16 is 4. So we're going to work with that example. So if your calculator is forward thinking, okay? Step 1. I want you to press the square root button. Step 2, if that square root button shows up, you're going to type in the number 16. Step 3 is you're going to hit the equals button. If you end up with the number 4, your calculator is forwards thinking. If none of this worked, or you get something that says error, that means your calculator is backwards thinking. So how you would work with this is going to be backwards. So step 1, you would type in the number 16. Step 2 is you would hit your square root button. And watch out, because sometimes to get the square root button, you might have to hit that second function and then type in your square root button. So just look for that. Step 3 is you're going to hit the equals button. And if you get 4, your calculator is backwards thinking. Okay, I hope this helps, but once again, email me if you have any questions.